In this video, I'm going to show you how to save chart settings in ThinkorSwim. Now, the best way to do this is actually by saving the entire workspace. So let me just change something very quickly on this chart so we can see this actually works. I'm going to go to Appearance and I'm just going to change this color, click Apply. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it's changed. And then whenever you have your chart that you would like to save the settings off, go to Setup up top right, and then here, Save Workspace As, and then give it a name. I'm just going to name it Test over here. I'm going to click on Save, and this has now been saved. And if I now pop up on a different one, so for example, as you can see, this is now the test basically workspace, I can go ahead and let's say, for example, I want to change this back to default. Okay, and this is now my default one, and I want to go back to the saved one where I have my saved chart settings. I can go to Setup again. I can go to where it says here under below. You can see there's a bunch of different spaces. You can open up this, of course, the workspace you saved, click on OK. It's going to restart your ThinkorSwim, and whenever that happens, there we go. My chart settings are now back, and I've successfully loaded that workspace. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.